Welcome to Diviners Tarot. Today we are doing yearly prediction for Leos, our loyal ones. Divine guidance for Leo, as they'll be very keen to know what is the divine guidance, Leo people. September, rest of the September for them. October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. September is they will start something new and they'll keep the eye on the very big picture. They are patient, they can wait for the things to arrive at their own time, and they keep other people in mind while doing the work. October is they will lose hope little bit, but they don't know yet that God has intended them for the better things. Something better will come out. And whosoever is in a relationship and they feel that they should end this relationship, they will not wait for the person, but they'll find a better person ahead in their life. So it's time to hope for the best. November is the Fool card, where the Leos will be childlike, they'll be sunshine's child, they'll be hope's child, and they'll take a new plunge anywhere, and they'll find joy and happiness in whatever they do. December will be giving them a lot of freedom to do whatever they want. They'll shine like a star because all their individuality, all their workmanship, all their artisticness, and their dramatic sense of the world will come out, and they'll be brilliant in work and they'll be lovable in the personal life. It is ooh la la period for the Leos. January, beginning of the 2022, they'll have a new business going on where they'll learn something new and they'll excel in whatever they do, and people will follow them because they'll find a new path to begin. February is changing conditions. Whatever they have been doing, they'll change the direction, and whatever they have been waiting for will arrive. Nothing will be stuck anywhere, and wheels of change are in motion, and they will rise well during this time. March is flying high. All the work they had been doing for the 6 months, they will reap the rewards of that, and they'll realize their innermost power to do better in every situation. April is they'll feel stuck. They'll feel there is no way to go out of the rut they are stuck in. Their individuality will be challenged by the other people's superficiality, and they will not be able to see the things as they are, as if somebody has clouded their visions. Moreover, whosoever has some eye problems should get their vision checked. So it shows a little bit problem with the vision. May is their intuitive best. Leo will learn new things. They will be reminding themselves of all the skills they have learned over the years, and they will be at peace. Everything will be clear in their mind. Whatever problem they have had in the previous month, it will be all clear and they'll be winner in the end. Moreover, a secret will be revealed which will help them to do better in this month. June is love is in the air. They'll find completion. They will do whatever they want to do, and the other person will help them, and they will be there for their partners, and they'll fall in love once again with life, with their partners, with their situation. July is perfect time to make their mark on the society. They'll help the society to build a new future, and financial success is promised by the divine signs for them, and they will be happily engaged in the family functions, birthdays, and some festivities, and they'll spend a lot of money, but they'll gain goodwill and they'll help the needy too. August, their birth month, again they'll be emperors. Wherever they are working for, they'll reach the top of that thing, and they'll make more ambitious plans which they can carry forward with the grit and inner strength of theirs. Divine guidance is plan properly and do the spade work properly. Don't ignore the small print. Read everything carefully, and then you should take a partner who shares your vision. This is all the yearly prediction for Leos. Hope it helps you, it resonates with you. If not, you can contact us on the email given in the description box. Thank you very much for watching. Keep divining. Have a wonderful time ahead.